In this video, I'm going to be trading stock binary options on the platform Pocket Option utilizing Fractal Chaos Bands and the 20 Simple Moving Average. Gus Schmidt here, back with a new trading video. So I'm back on the Pocket Option platform and I'm going to be trading stocks, available stocks on the platform here. So if we click on our assets icon, we have various assets available to trade on Pocket Option. We have currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. I'll be focusing on stocks today. And if we click on the stocks icon here, this pops up. And I've already checked off my various available stocks, say like Facebook here. And when you do that, when you check off the various stocks, not OTCs. I'm not trading OTCs. I'm trading regular stocks. The stocks appear at the top of the chart here, so that way I can quickly analyze, like Alibaba, I can analyze various stocks that are available to trade on the platform. Okay, like Netflix here. Okay, so I'm going to be utilizing two indicators, and the two indicators, if I click on my indicator icon here, are the fractal chaos bands and the moving average indicator here. Now in my fractal chaos band settings, I have the period set to 2, which is the default setting, and in my style settings I've changed the background color to white. And the reason why I've changed the background color to white is I can see the fractal chaos band lines a little bit easier. The green fractal chaos band represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red chaos band line represents a dynamic level of support. Okay, now for my moving average setting, I've set the period to 20 SMA, simple moving average, and in the style settings, I've increased the line width to 2 pixels. Go ahead and save that. And for my candlestick charts, I've set the candles to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute. So I'll be taking fast 60-second turbo trades. I like to get in and out of my positions. I don't like to wait. Uh, so 60-second trades. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. I'm on Facebook and I just took a buy trade, a 60-second buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, we're seeing the 20 SMA sloping upward, suggesting a bullish trend happening here. It had been reversing downward, but it started to curve upward. And then secondly, here I have this candle, this previous candle closing above the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line here. So I have two confluences that are occurring here, and this suggests a bullish breakout to the upside in the price of Facebook. So over the next 60 seconds, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. So first of all, like I mentioned, the 20 SMA sloping upwards, suggesting a bullish trend. Candles begin to print above the 20 SMA line, and then we have this candle closing above this upper boundary here. This upper boundary, not this one, but this upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for my next setup. Okay, so I'm on Cisco right now, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, first of all, we're looking at the 20 SMA line, which is sloping downwards. This suggests an ongoing bearish trend. It had been ranging for a while here, But now we're starting to see a bearish trend occurring. We have several red bearish candles. And then secondly here, I have this candle here, this red candle below, closing below this, the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band line here. So this suggests a bearish movement to the downside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right. So like I mentioned before, if you look at the 20 SMA, it's sloping downwards. We have some red candles printing below the 20 SMA line. And then of course I mentioned this candle here closing below the fractal chaos band boundary. And so I took the trade. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next trade. Okay, so I'm on Alibaba and I just took a buy trade here. All right. The reason why I took the buy trade, if we see the 20 SMA line, it was going downwards here, but then we have a bullish reversal occurring right about here. And then secondly, even though this candle closed above the upper boundary, it it came back down and retraced, but then this time it closed, this candle closed above this level of resistance here. So this suggests to me a continued bullish breakout to the upside in the price of Alibaba. So let's monitor this trade over the next 60 seconds and wait for the expiration. Awesome. Okay, so we won that trade. Like I mentioned here, we saw a bullish reversal occurring, and this candle broke above the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band. I didn't take the trade here because it immediately retraced back below the boundary. But then here, it closed above the boundary. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Tesla, and I just took a buy trade here on Tesla. And the reason why I took the buy trade here, we're seeing a strong bullish trend here with the 20 SMA line sloping upwards. And then secondly, I waited for this candle to close above this upper boundary here of the fractal chaos band line. So this suggests to me a bullish momentum to the upside here in the price of Tesla over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and look for the expiration. Awesome. You see that? Price is pushing upwards as predicted. Bullish breakout to the upside here. Okay, great. So we won that trade. So in recapping here, we're seeing the 20 SMA sloping upwards. We want to trade with the trend of the stock. Uh, Candles begin to print above the 20 SMA line here. And then this candle, like I mentioned, this candle broke above this upper boundary of the fractal chaos band, suggesting a bullish breakout to the upside. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Alibaba and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, we're seeing this the 20 SMA sloping upwards here, suggesting a strong bullish trend occurring. We have these candles printing above the 20 SMA line. And then finally, this candle here closes above the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line. So this suggests a continued bullish momentum to the upside in the price of Alibaba. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right. Like I mentioned here, strong bullish momentum. We want to trade with the trend. We have the candles printing above the 20 SMA line here. And then this candle here closes above this dynamic level of resistance here. And that's when I took the trade. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for one last setup. Okay. So I'm on JP Morgan's Chase and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is we're seeing the 20 SMA beginning to slope upwards, suggesting a bullish trend, a bullish momentum occurring here. And then secondly here, I waited for this candle to close above this upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band. I didn't take the trade here. I waited because we don't know if this could have been a potential level of resistance here, and the price could have shot back downward like this. But I waited for the candle to close above this line here, suggesting a bullish breakout to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade. We had a great session here. Um, like I mentioned here, we want to trade with the trend. Candles here printing above the 20 SMA sloping upwards, suggesting a bullish momentum. Waited for this candle to close above this upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band line, and I took the trade, resulting in the trade coming in the money. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up to date with my latest trading strategies. I have a link to the pocket option platform in the video comments and or in the channel description or the channel bio. I also wanted to make note that you want to practice good money management. So you only want to really risk about 1 to 2% of your balance on each trade. You don't want to risk high percentages of your balance because uh, high risks can result in big losses too. High percentage trades can result in big losses. So the idea is you want to get consistently profitable trades. That way you grow your balance slowly but surely. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You want to practice. You can practice on a demo account uh, in order to become proficient at the strategy. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.